Hey you guys, what's up? I'm Morgan and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in, because I know that you want to get in on this Clubhouse tea, okay? And I got 2 new invites that were sent to me, so I want to give that away to you guys. If you are interested on what Clubhouse is and how I utilize Clubhouse and how you can get into Clubhouse, please just keep on watching, okay? So let's start off with the basics before I get into the giveaway, because I know you guys want to get to the giveaway, so I'm not going to make this long drawn out video, but I do need you to watch the entire video because it helps me here on YouTube and it lets me know that you actually care. You know what I'm saying? All right, you know what I'm saying? So just give this video a thumbs up real quick. Okay, thumbs up and keep on watching. So I know you want to know exactly what Clubhouse is. If you haven't heard of it, I don't know where you have been, but I am here to break down everything for you, so that way you know that you want to enter this giveaway and get in on Clubhouse with my invite. All right. So Clubhouse is basically an interactive app that lets you talk directly to the people that you want to connect with. Literally. So how I'm talking to you guys right now through a camera, if you guys were able to respond to me instantly, would you do that? I think you would, because I would be able to answer your questions or your concerns exactly in real time. So it's like me hopping on a stage, asking a question, somebody in the audience raising their hand and giving me the feedback that I need once I call on them. That is exactly how Clubhouse works. So if you think about it in terms of your brand, or in terms of your personal brand or physical brand, all you need to understand is that you can reach out to anyone, okay, with just the search of a simple keyword and start mingling with people within your industry and getting those connections sent to you instantly. Okay, so you're gonna hop into rooms. Okay, now a Clubhouse room is just a general topic that people want to talk about. It's scheduled on the little the panel, or you can start a room right away with your friends or whatever it is that you want to do, and you can set the topic. So if I wanted to set a room and start talking to you guys, I can title it something like fashion industry swimwear business. And so people that are interested in the fashion industry, specifically the swimwear business, they would click onto my room. They would be in the audience of my room, and I would invite people up. And all I do by inviting people up is when they raise their hand, because there's a little hand button on the app. I'm going to show you guys as well on the app. There's a little hand button that you raise. Once you raise your hand, all you have to do is wait for a moderator or the room leader, which would be me, for instance, or one of my moderators that I choose to be the moderator of my room, to pick you. You raise your hand, you'll come up on stage, you'll talk directly to me, and you'll talk directly to whoever's on the stage if you heard something somebody else said, and you can get direct feedback instantly. It's the most instant connection app that you could ever look for. If you didn't know, voice is the future of apps, okay? It is the future of apps. This is why podcasts have taken off so well. It's because people are more lazy and people want a more voice activated approach to all their questions and concerns, okay? That's literally the gist of Clubhouse. Now, another cool feature on Clubhouse, and the reason why I use Clubhouse, is because not only can I connect with the people that I actually want to mingle with within my industry and within other industries that I'm probably interested in, it's the fact that I can create an actual club within Clubhouse. I know that sounds crazy, but I can create an actual club. So by creating an actual club, it will be set in stone. So people can join my club. I can invite people to my club. So if you are in my club or you have joined my club, no matter what time I post, you will get the notification right away that we are online on the Clubhouse app and that you can join in on that conversation. Plain and simple. All right. Now, the cool part about this is there's so many people on Clubhouse, okay? Thousands of people on Clubhouse, from A-list celebrities to D-list celebrities to influencers to people that want to be influencers, people that want to start their brands, people in Silicon Valley, people all over the freaking world are on Clubhouse. This is why people are talking about it so much. It's because you get to talk to people that you would probably never even come in contact with if it hadn't been for this app being created and everyone being on an equal playing field, okay, on this app, all right? Now, the app is designed for you to build your network. So depending on how you follow people or who you follow, that's how you're going to build your network. That's how people are going to find you more. It's not like the Instagram algorithm or the Twitter algorithm to where you're following people and those those type of people are suggested to you and you see these random posts and things like that, you do not see random posts. Who you follow is what you will see on your timeline once you go into Clubhouse. So it's very detailed and very organized in a very clean and effective way for you to be able to use the app effectively for yourself. Okay, so I've been able to pitch myself to people who I'd never even thought I would want to pitch to. That's why I love the app so much. It's because I would have never thought to even search for certain people within my field based on just logistics, to be honest. Things that I naturally wouldn't do. I probably wouldn't have come in contact with them off of Clubhouse because it's not something that I would naturally search for. But because the rooms are pretty much like organized for topics and specific like niches and things like that, I'm able to go into the room and be able to hear from people that are from around the world. And I literally mean around the world, you guys. And so when I get on stage and I'm talking to these people, I am putting my best foot forward. I'm also giving advice. I'm adding to the room conversation. I'm asking questions that I genuinely want answered. And because of that, I have made some crazy connections, and I'm able to scale my business based off of Clubhouse. And I have been scaling my business based off of Clubhouse, meaning that I have generated more sales since I've been on Clubhouse. My digital downloads have pretty much 10x themselves by creating more sales through that as well. And you guys, I have not created funnels. I have not created ads. I have not done anything crazy or, to boost these things. All I have been doing is talking inside of these Clubhouse rooms and in these clubs within Clubhouse, and people taking it from there. It's like a word of mouth thing, but it's a super networking app because it is so fast. I have a profile with all my I have a profile with my picture in it and all of my links and things like that you can find me at across this social media platforms and the world. And people are genuinely, when I speak, they go to my profile, they start clicking on things, and it's creating sales on the back end. So Clubhouse is not just something that you would use to just sit and talk and waste your time. I think that is the worst way to use Clubhouse. But if you are in business, no matter what field, this is not just for my swimpreneurs. This is not just for people that are in the fashion industry. I don't care what field it is that you're in. If you are someone who is looking to start a business or already have a business or looking to scale your business, you need to be on Clubhouse. You need to be talking to people that you never thought you'd be able to talk to. You need to get questions answered. You need to add to conversations. You need to network. So this app is definitely for you. Okay, so now here's how here's how you enter the giveaway, you guys. It's super simple. You only have to do 3 things to enter this giveaway. All right, I have 2 new invites. All right, but by saying I have 2 new invites, I still want you to enter this even if I choose 2 people, or not even, but when I choose 2 people, when the giveaway is closed, I still want you to enter, because as I get more invites, I'm going to come back to this comment section. I'm going to keep going to my Instagram account, and I'm going to be finding you guys and just sending you guys the contact information so I can get your contact information and inviting you from there. So this is something I want to keep on going because I do believe in building a network based off of the people who support me on this channel. So that's all you have to do. All right. So the first thing that you need to do is hit the link that is right below in the description box. Is the very first link. All right. It is to my website. Sign up for my newsletter. This is a new website that I created alongside my business partners, Mo Nicole, who is here on YouTube, and Flex and Fly, who is also here on YouTube. We have created a club and a website called Clubhouse Junkies, and we are going to be giving you guys all the Clubhouse tea. It is all things Clubhouse. So if you have an Android, okay, this is for you. All right, this is definitely for you. Get on our mailing list as soon as possible, because you are going to want to see how to navigate the Clubhouse app, what's behind the scenes on the Clubhouse app, what's been going on the Clubhouse app. And because you guys don't have access to the app, because if you didn't know, Clubhouse is iPhone only right now, or Apple product only, so you can use Clubhouse on your Apple, like your iPhones or on your iPads, and you can sign up. But if you have an Android, you cannot sign up right now because the app is still in beta. It's still in beta testing. All right, they are working out the kinks with us here on Apple products. But if you have an Android, get on my newsletter, okay? Get on this newsletter right now. All right, that's all I'm saying. Just right now, okay? We got something for y'all. But if you do have an iPhone you can enter this giveaway for the invite. All right, so get on the newsletter. No matter who you are or what product you use, get on the newsletter. Also, the next thing that you want to do, 2 things: make sure that you're subscribed here on YouTube and following me on our Instagram account, which is Clubhouse Junkie. Okay, Instagram account Clubhouse Junkie. The links are below. Follow us on there as well. The last thing that you need to do, and don't forget this step, the last thing that you need to do to enter this giveaway, you guys, comment down below your Instagram handle and why you want to join Clubhouse. Okay, this is very important. Answer that below, okay, with your Instagram handle and why you want to join Clubhouse, and that is it. The 3 things that you have to do: get on the newsletter, follow us on Instagram, and comment below with your Instagram handle why you want to use the Clubhouse app. And that's it. That's it. I will be personally picking 2 people, and I need your Instagram handle to be in that comment, because that's how I'm going to be able to reach out to you to get your phone number and contact, so that I could actually send you the invite, because it has to be a direct invite from my phone, from my phone. So that's how you can enter the giveaway. All right, plain and simple. I'm going to be picking you guys the winner before Tuesday, so just look out for, look out for that DM, you know what I'm saying? Look out for that DM. But that is it for this video, you guys. I so hope that you love this information. Again, even if you are already invited, please just give a testimonial on how you use the Clubhouse app, because it's how we build connections. And also just enter the giveaway no matter who you are, what phone you're using, what company that you're using, because I will always come back here and send out my invites, because my people, all my friends, they're already on there. So I'm just going to keep giving my invites out to you guys. See you later. Peace.